What's going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me the Fish Effects trading community, back with another video. We're just gonna do a quick market review and potential targets for tomorrow. All right, so we see that today's daily candle swept yesterday's high and closed below. Therefore, my initial target is going to be today's low at $18,439.25. As well as, since we have a swing point here, I'm gonna put that in as a potential draw on liquidity as well. All right, so let me just put this in for Wednesday. All right, and we'll do this and then we'll take a look at price action. Go ahead and lock that in. All right, so now we are inside of a busy, and let's see. Let's take a look at the lower time frame to see if we can get a little better direction here. So actually, if we take a look here on the daily, we do have a swing failure pattern here. This high swept this high, but it did not close above it, and then we also created a swing high. All right, so that tells me that the market wants to go down, and it has gone down thus far. Let's just try to see if we can find some fair value gaps that have been inversed. Let's see here on the 4-hour. We have yet to have a market structure shift to the downside. Also, no inverse fair value gaps on the 4-hour. Now, here on the 1-hour, okay, we did have this low create this high, and it gave us a market structure shift. On the 1-hour, however, it did leave relative equal highs here on the 1-hour, which is where our weekly bias is. That was actually the start of Monday, and we didn't actually, we came close, guys. We came close, but we did not hit the, that was Thursday, but we did not hit the weekly draw on liquidity. All right, so that may be null and void, but we'll just continue to play it out. All right, so at this point on the 1-hour, we are in bearish price action. We do see where, all right, so let's walk back through this. This high created this low, and then it was closed above. All right, changing the order flow of the market to bullish. All right, this low created this high, and it was closed below. All right, also changing the order flow back to bearish. All right, so based on the hour, all right, we do have this fair value gap created here on the hourly. So as the market is getting ready to open in less than a minute here, I would just kind of monitor this throughout the night and the Asian session. All right, if this 1-hour fair value gap is respected, then I would expect for the Wednesday possible targets to get hit. And if they're not hit by the time I wake up in the morning, which is typically sometime after the end of the London kill zone, then of course I'll be looking to trade this lower. So I had an okay trading day today, but all right, sorry about that. Yeah, so I had an okay trading day today. I was pleased with it, but nonetheless, I will be looking for sales to cover these potential targets here. All right, let's take a look at the 15-minute. Let's see. So in order for this to flip back, I would need this high to be closed above. But I am looking for this 1 hour CIVI to be respected here throughout the night. I'm hoping that it will be. So I could at least take advantage of those Wednesday targets. Let's take a look at the news that could be coming out for tomorrow. So we have 6 p.m. news, high impact news um, on tomorrow. So pretty okay trading day. We may or may not get a lot of volume during the day, but only time will tell. But nonetheless, we'll just trade what the market uh, presents to us. So, all right, guys, that is going to be my market review as well as my targets for tomorrow. My target for today, as you guys can see, at $18,601.25. That was hit. However, the Friday target and the weekly target are both still open. So the market or the algorithm could potentially just move away from those and not even worry about those until a later date, which is totally fine with me. All right, again, these are all just projections, and I pretty much trade as the algorithm presents itself. So, all right, guys, until next time, I hope you all stay well and safe trading. Bye.